This video I'm going to try a claim on the internet that you can fix a Ryobi 80-volt battery stuck at 100% by using the 1000 watt power source. So the first thing I do is with only two 80-volt batteries in my 30-inch mower, I'll run down the power to 96% to confirm that only one battery is discharging. And that happens to be the case, which my mower will still start for me when there is still a good 80-volt battery installed. But after I unplug the battery that discharged and turn the key, the mower will not boot up with just the battery stuck at 100%. So I did some research and came across this video.
I wanted to give you all some hope. I had this suitcase battery in my 54-inch zero turn, stuck on 100%, would not connect. The BMS would not connect to the mower when you turn the key on. The charger would not connect to it. So as someone else recommended, I got this power supply inverter today and just hooked it up.
After watching that, I decided to try it since I have the 1000 watt power source, so I'll take the battery out and try hooking it up. So with the power source on top of the battery, I'll connect the two, but when I turn it on I get an error 5 message and it shuts down after. Then I decide to try plugging my phone in like I saw in the video, but there was no difference, same error message popped up. I also charged the good battery back up and then put them both in my 42-inch mower with no other batteries and drained them down to 96%, but that didn't wake the stuck battery up either. So if you happen to know of a fix, please let everyone know in the comments. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.